Hello everyone, thanks for joining me today. So today we're going to be making this little horse tumbler, and I cut out the diamonds using a acrylic pattern from a crafty veteran, and she has some really cool patterns to let you to be able to cut your vinyl real easily. So I went ahead and cut those, and then we're going to go ahead and tape up that vinyl so we can add our glitter. And I'm just trimming the pieces of the the tape so that we can get the glitter everywhere we want it. And I'm not good enough to not tape stuff off, so I know I would get the glitter glue everywhere. So next we're going to be using the Helios glitter glue and to apply the glitter. So I'm just making sure you do a thin coat that covers everywhere you want the glitter. And don't forget the bottom. We're just going to go ahead and put that glitter everywhere, and then I'm going to go ahead and remove the tape right away so it doesn't get stuck on there. And I just love how this glitter is. So now what we're doing is I'm smooshing the glitter. I'm just rolling it in parchment paper and pressing down, trying to get that glitter as flat as possible so that we don't have to do too many layers of epoxy. And you want to wait about 30 minutes after you use the Helios glitter glue to smush your glitter. So here I'm just sealing the glitter again with the Helios glitter glue so that it doesn't move when we put the epoxy on. And once you put that on, you want to wait at least 30 minutes to make sure it dries fully, and then we will go ahead and put on our first coat of epoxy. Make sure you get everywhere so that the glitter hopefully doesn't move, but if it does, it's no big deal if a little gets on the vinyl. Alright, so I'm going to let that sit, and now we are ready for our first coat of epoxy, and I use the Fast Set Turbo from CC DIY, and I usually mix up about 20 milliliters to put on the cup. You want to make sure you do even coats, and then here I'm just popping the bubbles to make sure there's no. Okay, so now we're going to add the pin striping to our tumbler, and I'm just using nail tape there. And now we're going to put our final coat of epoxy on, and just make sure it's covered really well. And get the bottom and the top edge. And then I'm popping the bubbles. And then here is the finished product. Thanks for watching.